Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe Finley, and today we're looking at capture cards, specifically this one, the Kuhaimi HCA25P video capture card. And this is what it looks like. Movie magic. It's a 4K capture card. It can actually input and pass through 4K 60, and it can capture up to 4K 30 frames per second or 1440 60 frames per second. In the box, you get the capture card, HDMI cable, USB-A to USB-C cable, and a user manual. So as I so flawlessly did earlier, I showed you this bad boy. So this is the card itself. It's got a little bit of a Hot Wheels feel, or for the older generation watching this video, a little bit of a VHS tape rewinder feel, only to scale. It's got some nice subtle rubber feet here on the bottom to prevent slipping. On the one side, you have your HDMI in and out, and on the other side, you have your USB-C port, as well as a headphone and microphone jack. I'm going to take a minute to get this set up, and we'll be right back. Setup was incredibly easy, no drivers or software to deal with, which was wonderful. OBS picked it up as a video capture device right away, so that was nice. And this is actually my camera coming through the same capture card. So if my voice isn't in sync or something like that when I go back and watch this, I'll know it's because of some latency issue with the capture card. I mean, we can compare this side to side with my 4K 60 Pro. Overall, not too shabby. Now, I hooked this thing up to my Xbox, and playing it on OBS, it actually looked pretty good. Going back and looking at the footage, though, I'm noticing, especially when it's darker, there's a lot of pixelation and loss of detail that I didn't see when I was doing the initial recording. If you're playing brighter games, this won't really affect you, but if you're playing darker stuff, I might avoid it. Kuhaimi's capture card will run you $109.99 US on Amazon. I'm going to put an affiliate link down below if you're interested in getting this and you use my link. It helps the channel. But compare that to some of the bigger players on the market. Elgato's HD60S Plus runs about $179.99 US. And AverMedia's Live Gamer Portable 2, which usually runs for $149.99 US. It captures your camera really nice too. So if you want to compare that to Elgato's Camlink 4K, that's still $129.99 US. But let me know how the footage looked to you. Let me know down in the comments. If you have no comment about the capture card, then just go ahead and put down the quote from your favorite movie down there. It's engagement, it helps the channel, and I get a little insight into you guys too. And until next time, gang, let's get to work. Movie magic.